Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to teach you in how to add a product in Amazon that is already listed in Amazon's catalog. Maybe it's listed and needs an approval and maybe it doesn't need an approval. So first of all, I'll choose catalog, then add products. Then I'll search for the product itself. So if I have a product name or I have a barcode number, then I'll search for it. So for my side, from my idea here, I will search for a GPL, let's say Bluetooth headset. Then I'll find the product that already matches the product that I have on site, let's say. So, for example, this product and this product needs an approval. And from my side, I have the information that is already needed for the approval. And I have the, let's say, the black one. So I'll choose apply to sell. Then I would request the approval because it's a brand. That's why it needs an approval. So I press on it. Then if I have an invoice that has at least 10 pieces of any GPL, let's say product, then I will choose the first one. And if I have an authorization letter from the brand owner, or let's say the authorized reseller in your country, then you can choose the letter from GPL authorizing you to sell their products. So from my side, I will choose the invoice. I will hold the invoice in my hand. I will make sure that the invoice has the details here. So the invoice is already within this year, so it is right. Then my name and information are matching my information in the selling account, and the selling account information are exactly matching the name and address that I have in the invoice. So it is matching. Then I'll press on that. I'll select it. Then include the name and the address of the manufacturer or distributor. So the name and the address of the manufacturer and distributor are right and are let's say good, eligible. Then I'll press on it. Then show the combined purchase of at least 10 units. So it is actually 12 units. So I'll press on it. And this is an example only. Then if I want to hide the price, then I press on omit pricing information, and then I'll make sure that Amazon may contact the supplier or the manufacturer of the invoice, so I have no problem. Then I press on it, then I select, then I add the invoice, then I add my email, then I press on submit. I'll have to make sure that the information for the product, let's say product name in the invoice, matches the product name in Amazon's catalog. And if it's at least doesn't matching, then it has to be at least the barcode number matching in the invoice, so they can approve it. Because if the brand name is not, sorry, if the product name is not listed properly in the invoice, then they can't make sure that the invoice is right, and it may really not be illegible. So once I press on submit, then I have to wait for at least 24 hours. Then if they accept it, they will send me an email. If they refuse it, they will tell me why, so I can resubmit it again with the right information. That's if I need to add a product that it is already in the Amazon's catalog and needs an approval. So for example, if I want to add a product that doesn't need it needs an approval, and for example, I will search for your room Bluetooth headset, or let's say Bluetooth, whatever it is, whatever you show me. So, for example, I'll search, I have the right information. I have this product and it already matches the product I have on site. Then I'll press select condition, new, then sell this product. Then it will ask me to fill some information. The seller SKU is a number that's, let's say, my storage number. So I have like my storage, and I have a number that it's already only for me. So I add the number. If I don't have, then I leave it as it is. I leave it empty. Then I put the price. It already gives you the lowest price in Amazon. So if you have a lowest price in Amazon, if you can compete with the lowest price, then you press on it, then it will show you. If you can't compete, then you'll have to add whatever your price is. But you'll have to make sure that if you add a price that it's not competitive, then you'll have to know that your products may not sell in Amazon because people are searching for the lowest price. So then I put the quantities, for example, 20 pieces. Then the fulfillment channel, I choose from my side. I always choose it. I'll choose self ship, or let's say easy ship, because I don't have to wait and create a shipping plan for each product that I'm creating or adding on in my catalog. So I choose this, and once I add all the products, then I can create a shipping plan for all the products in only one shipping plan. Then once I press save and finish, within 5 to 10 minutes, the products will be available in Amazon's catalog, in my catalog here in the manage inventory. Then I can be able to sell it, and it will be activated as you see here.